Assalamu alaikum. Islam is a faith followed by approximately 2 billion Muslims around the world. Islam is also the fastest growing religion in the United States of America. You might wonder, what is it about Islam that attracts people to this faith? Have you ever wondered what Muslims worship or what Muslims believe in? Have you ever wondered what Islam is based upon? And what is it in Islam that makes Muslims so committed and devoted to their faith? What does the inside of the mosque look like? I have a Muslim colleague that prays at work, but I wanted to know more about prayer. I have a Muslim colleague who fasts in the month of Ramadan, but what is it that they're trying to attain? I might have a Muslim friend, or I might have somebody in my family that came to Islam or is thinking about Islam. What is it that drew them to Al-Islam? What is it about that faith? I want to learn more about it. With everything that's going on around the world, my curiosity has peaked. This is your opportunity to come and have your questions answered. This is the opportunity for you to come and mix with Muslims and learn about Islam directly from Muslims. I want to invite all of you to our open house on the 22nd of November. I see you there with your friends and your families. You're all welcome. Assalamu alaikum.